Hi my loves, welcome to my brand new channel. Yes, it is brand new channel. Okay, if you are coming from my first channel, thank you so much for following me here. And if you are new, hello, my name is Rejoice. I'm so glad you are here. Now you are probably wondering why a second channel. Well, let me tell you why we cook together. Alright, let's do a little backstory. I started YouTube with lifestyle vlogs, like simple everyday moments, but along the line, my hunting documentary really started to grow, and soon they completely overshadowed my lifestyle videos. People came for hunting, not always for lifestyle, and I did not want my personal side to disappear just like that. So instead of mixing everything up, I decided to create this new space, a channel where lifestyle can breathe, a home for everyday vlogs, sit-down videos, and little behind the scenes moments. Basically, all the real part of my life that did not fit into hunting is what you are gonna get on this channel. Now, let me tell you what you will get here. Here is what you should expect on this channel. Weekly lifestyle vlogs like my daily routine, travel and fun experiences, sit-down conversation once in a week like the comment section, like and post and perspective where I react to what is trending on social media, where I get to read the comments and we all dissect and agree and disagree, right? And of course, real unfiltered contents, the kind that will make you feel like you are hanging out with your friend, because why not? I am your friend. You are my sister, you're my brother, you are my mom, you're my dad. So that kind of content that will make you feel like you are watching that your little sister, you are watching that your big sister, is the kind of content you should be expecting on this channel. Lifestyle is personal for me. It is not just about showing fancy things, it's about the little everyday moments that matters. Like right now, me cooking and talking with you is just the real thing that I've always loved, and I want this channel to feel like you are in the kitchen with me, you are traveling with me, or you are sitting across the table during one of my conversations. So this is exactly personal connection that I really want to have with you all. And here is where you come in. This channel is not just my space, it is ours, okay? And I want to know what you love watching. Do you prefer daily life vlogs, travels, cooking, or the sit-down talk show? Drop in the comments, because your ideas will shape this channel. Let me share a little of my vision and energy for this channel. My vision for this space is simple. It will be fun, vibes, and real talk. Nothing too polished, nothing fake, just live as it is. I want you to come here and feel good, laugh, think, and maybe even see life from a new perspective. So, if lifestyle, fun moments, and real conversations are your vibe, hit the subscribe button and join the family. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to my new channel and welcome to the journey.